Dear connections, I hope you all are doing well. Today I will show you how to handle a complex scenario of many to many relationship. So let's suppose we have a start schema in our Power BI data model. Now your client comes up with a new requirement like you need to incorporate a whole SharePoint folder where seven flat files are there, and you need to take all these flat files as a dimension table in your Power BI data model and use it in the reporting purpose. So without any further delay, let's jump into my Power BI desktop. So as you can see in my Power BI desktop, there is one fact table and one, two, three, four, five, six. Six dimension tables are there, and all those things are connected with various IDs as primary key, like channel ID with channel key, customer ID with customer key, team date date ID with date key, team sales report with sales report key, and product key with product ID. So you did this thing very in a very good manner. Now customer comes up with this requirement like you. There are seven flat files. There are seven. Let me delete it. So there are seven flat files which are present in the SharePoint folder of customer, and customers gave you the access of that SharePoint folder. You need to incorporate all these dimension tables in your Power BI data model, and after importing it, you need to connect all these things with fact table only, not with other dimension table. You need to made relationship between all these seven flat files with this main fact opportunity table. Okay, this is basically a CRM software dataset. Okay, so these are like most probably the customer related data, dim campaign, dim address, dim feedback you already incorporated. So obviously customer key will be the primary key. So I am taking customer key with this fact opportunity table. See many to many relationship, and both bidirectional relationship is coming. So we all know that if we can't use many to many relationship, like we can use many to many relationship, but it will throw ambiguous result. So we need to avoid it. Let me try with another table. Oh my god, same issue is happening, and for all the seven flat files, same issue will come. So to bypass this issue, what we need to do? The solution is to create a bridge table. So in YouTube, you will find many videos of creating bridge table to bypass the many-to-many relationship issue. But those videos are very basic. And today in this video, I am showing you a complex scenario. Okay. So to create the bridge table, you need to go to transform data. That means Power Query Editor. In Power Query Editor, to create the bridge table, we need to randomly take one. We need to just randomly take one dim table which was present in the SharePoint folder, and we all know the dim payment was present in the SharePoint path. So I will click on it and I will reference it. You may ask me a question that why I referenced it, why not duplicated it. Like if I duplicate it will create a static copy of this version. Like if I duplicate it instead of referencing it, and if there is any change in the dim payment, the change will not automatically reflect in this here, in this new table, in this new bridge table. That's why while creating the bridge table, like in this scenario, like in SharePoint folder, new rows will come, new data will definitely come in quarterly basis, monthly basis, or weekly basis. So always reference a table. So let me rename it as bridge table. BRIDG, bridge table. So after creating this bridge table, we only need the customer key. So right click on it, remove other columns. And we all know that many to many relationships are coming because both fact table and these dimension tables have uh, repeated customer keys. Hmm. So see, 1 is coming, then 13 is coming 2 times. So we need to remove the duplicate also. Right click on it, remove duplicates. Hmm. So now we need all the others dimension table data here. So what we will do, we will append the queries. So click on append queries. So see, here seven we already have seven SharePoint files, flat files. So we need to click on three or more tables option. And now let me check what are the things were there. Dim address, dim campaign. Again go to Power Query, dim address, add dim campaign, add dim feedback, add this order payment subscription, order order edit payment, then subscription, and at the last dim table is support, dim support. Now click on OK. See, all the all the six flat files are appended successfully. But we all know that we need only the customer key. So right click on it, remove other columns. Except customer key, it will remove all other columns. And again, we need to do the remove duplicate options. Remove duplicates. Okay. So it's there. And one more thing, one last step, like we can see only this many duplicates are there. So there may be null values also, like in the data model with 1 million or 2 million data, you may see some nulls are there. So it's better to click on here and click on remove empty. We all know that in after doing the final remove duplicates, there were no null, but for the sake of safety, like you will not check the 1 million rows, right? It will go to endlessly. So if, like in real time project work, just do this step, like filter, like click on this filter icon and do remove empty. Hmm. Now what you need to do, you need to click on close and apply. Now wait for some time to load. I think it loaded. I think it loaded. See, Now let me take the bridge table at front. Bridge table, let me take here. See, it's automatically detected one-to-many relationship between this all these flat files with this bridge table. Like you can see, like if I delete it also, and after deleting, let me show you. So see, this dim campaign was a flat file present in the SharePoint dataset. Okay, so I will take this customer key and give it in the bridge table. So see, many to one and one to many with single direction relationship is coming. That means it is acceptable. So after doing the Power Query step, what you need to do? You need to create relationship between all these seven flat file table with this bridge table or one to many relationship. And the last step is you need to create relationship between this customer, like this bridge table and the fact table. Here also same one to many to one relationship is there with single direction. So this way it will work. So I hope you have understood the things, how many to many relationship is handled effectively in a real-time project. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any further doubt, you can ask me in my LinkedIn or in comment section also. I will definitely reply. Thank you all.